Lecture 9, Critical Discourse Analysis. Introduction to Critical Discourse. Critical Discourse Analysis, CDA, is a multidisciplinary approach to studying language that emphasizes the relationship between discourse, power, and society. CDA examines how language constructs and reflects social power relations, ideologies, and identities. The primary purpose of CDA is to uncover hidden meanings and biases in discourse that perpetuate social inequalities, allowing for a deeper understanding of how language shapes perceptions and social realities. CDA positions itself as a tool for social change, aiming to highlight and challenge the ways in which discourse can reinforce systemic injustices. By critically analyzing language, researchers can reveal the mechanisms through which power operates and how it is maintained or contested in various contexts. Key principles of CDA power and ideology. One of the central principles of CDA is understanding how language serves to maintain or challenge power structures. Language is not neutral. It is imbued with ideologies that shape how we perceive the world. The role of ideology in discourse is significant, influencing public perception and reinforcing societal norms. For example, the framing of social issues in the media can reflect and perpetuate dominant ideologies. Contextualization. Contextualization involves analyzing discourse within its socio-political and historical context. Recognizing the importance of situational and cultural factors in discourse production and reception is vital for understanding how meaning is constructed. By situating discourse within broader contexts, researchers can better grasp the implications of language use. Interdisciplinary approach. CDA integrates insights from various fields, including linguistics, sociology, political science, and cultural studies. This interdisciplinary approach enriches the analysis by drawing on multiple perspectives and methodologies, allowing for a more comprehensive understanding of discourse and its impact on society. Methods of critical discourse analysis. Textual analysis. Textual analysis involves close reading of text to identify linguistic features such as modality, transitivity, and nominalization. These features can reveal how power and agency are constructed within a discourse, highlighting the choices authors make in presenting information. Discourse analysis. This method examines how language is used in social contexts and the implications of language choices. By analyzing the context in which language is produced, researchers can uncover the social dynamics that influence communication. Critical reading. Critical reading involves analyzing how power dynamics are constructed through language in various media, such as news articles and political speeches. This method encourages readers to question the underlying assumptions and values that shape discourse. Applications of CDA has a wide range of applications across various fields. Media studies. In media studies, CDA is used to analyze representations of race, gender, and class in news media and advertisements. This analysis helps uncover biases and the ways in which media narratives shape public perception. Political discourse. CDA is instrumental in examining speeches, debates, and policy documents to uncover underlying ideologies and agendas. By analyzing political rhetoric, researchers can reveal how language is used to persuade, manipulate, and mobilize public opinion. Education. In educational settings, CDA investigates how language reinforces or challenges social inequalities. This analysis can illuminate how discourse affects student engagement, identity, and access to educational opportunities. Case studies in CDA example. 1. Media coverage of immigration issues. Analyzing media coverage of immigration can reveal biases and framing strategies that shape public attitudes toward immigrants. Such studies often highlight the language used to depict immigrants, identifying whether they are portrayed as valuable contributors or burdens to society. Example 2. Political rhetoric in election campaigns. Examining political rhetoric during scenes. Election campaigns can help understand how language shapes public opinion. Analysts might explore the use of slogans, metaphors, and narratives that influence voter perceptions and candidate image. Example 3. Classroom discourse. Investigating. Classroom discourse can shed light on how language affects student engagement and identity. Researchers may analyze teacher-student interactions to assess how discourse promotes or hinders participation among diverse student groups. Challenges in critical discourse. Analysis. Despite its significance, CDA faces several challenges. Subjectivity. The potential for researcher bias in interpreting discourse is a critical concern. Analysts must be aware of their own perspectives and strive for objectivity in their analyses. Complexity of language. Navigating the intricacies of language and its meanings across different contexts can be challenging. The fluidity of language means that meanings can shift based on context, making analysis complex. Ethical considerations. Addressing the ethical implications of analyzing sensitive topics and power relations is essential. Researchers must consider the impact of their work on the communities they study and approach sensitive issues with care. Future directions in CDA. Looking ahead, several trends are shaping the future of CDA digital discourse analysis. Exploring how social media and online communication impact power dynamics and discourse practices is an emerging area of interest. Digital platforms create new contexts for language use, influencing how power operates in contemporary society. Interdisciplinary collaborations. Working with scholars from various fields can enhance the understanding of discourse in society. These collaborations can lead to richer analyses and more comprehensive insights into the complexities of language and power. Global perspectives. Investigating how CDA can be applied to diverse cultural contexts and languages is vital for expanding its relevance. Understanding how different cultures construct and interpret discourse can enrich CDA and promote cross-cultural dialogue. To sum up, critical discourse analysis is a powerful tool for examining the relationships between language, power, and society. By uncovering hidden meanings and biases in discourse, CDA contributes to our understanding of social issues and inequalities.